Hello everybody, to show you how can you create a simple C file and you how can you use GCC compiler to sort of execute it in your terminal. So first we'll have to create a file. You can name it whatever .c and then just we we will just include stdio so that we can sort of use printf function and then we'll just call the main function, so void main, and we are just going to print something. So we'll use a printf function that is inside the stdio.h library, and we are going to print something. So we'll just write printing something onto the console. That's it, and this is all we want to print. We are going to use control plus S keyword to save it and control plus tilde keyword to sort of open this terminal thing. Then you have to type GCC and then you have to put a flag, and the flag is -o, and then you need to name what will be the file, the executable file, the exe file that is created after compiling this. So I'm just going to call it app, and then we will write the name of the file, which is main.c. Whatever you have written here, whatever is the file name you've given, you have to write it over here. So first GCC, then a flag denoting the name, a flag which is -o, and then name of the executable. So the now we should expect an app.exe file to be created if there is no error. So hit enter, and there you go, an app.exe file is indeed created. So now you can execute it by doing this app, and this should sort of execute the executable file on this terminal. So it printing something onto the console, and there you go. This is how we simply write simple code, and then we create an executable file with a given name, and then we run that executable, and whatever is the output is printed on the console. That is all I wanted to show you, and thank you for watching this video.